The recent decline in Tesla's stock price is no secret. During the preceding month, Tesla's stock reached a number of lows. Fortunately, something significant is on the horizon for Tesla. And if successful, it could increase the company's stock price to as much as $52,000 in the future months. Analysts are optimistic that this will be the move that raises the stock's price to its true value and hope that Tesla's stock will skyrocket to $52,000 if it occurs. But is it possible for Tesla stock to attain this price? And what is Tesla's next major development that will cause the stock price to soar into the thousands? Let's find out. If you enjoy this type of content, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel before we begin. And don't neglect to enable notifications to stay informed of everything happening with Tesla. Tesla is poised to introduce a never-before-seen artificial intelligence feature. Elon Musk, the company's CEO, recently announced that Tesla will soon commence mass production of the Robotaxi, a self-driving autonomous vehicle. These robotaxis are designed to operate without a steering wheel or pedals, thus eliminating the need for pilots. According to Musk, the goal of the project is to provide customers with the lowest cost per mile of transportation, and the proposed cost of a robotaxi journey will be lower than that of a bus or subway ticket. This follows the announcement by the founder of Tesla that production of its high-performance Cybertruck will begin in 2023. The vehicle, which is intended to combine the utility of a pickup truck with the performance of a sports car, was unveiled in 2019 and will hit the market within the next few months. The Robotaxi project is anticipated to enter mass production in 2024, with product announcements scheduled for 2023. If this initiative is successful, Tesla will be able to convert the majority of its manufactured vehicles to robotaxis with a simple over-the-air software update. Moreover, this new update will incur an additional fee. Musk has stated, however, that a robotaxi could be sold for up to $12,000 due to its uniqueness and technological value. This innovation will be a significant growth catalyst for Tesla by increasing the company's finances and overall net worth. Musk also disclosed his plans to develop Optimus, a humanoid robot that, according to him, will be more valuable than FSD technology, complete autonomous driving technology, and the automobile industry as a whole. Investors anticipate these innovative developments that Musk has planned for Tesla, and based on the future potential of these initiatives, it is virtually impossible that the outcomes will be anything but extraordinary. There are numerous positive developments occurring at Tesla which indicate that the company is on the path to greater success if properly executed. This could lead to Tesla's stock prices reaching $52,000 in the future. Among these is Tesla's intention to manufacture its own processors. Tesla, like the majority of other businesses, relies on global chip supply for production and has been severely impacted by the present chip shortage, which has led to the closure of some of these businesses. Consequently, the ownership of a chip supply chain will not only provide Tesla with a competitive advantage over other companies, but will also secure its position as a dominant automobile manufacturer for years to come. Tesla announced the implementation of lithium-ion batteries for its standard range of electric vehicles worldwide in October 2021. The lithium battery reportedly has a lifespan of more than 5 years. It has a rapid charging rate and a high resistance to heat. This implies that Tesla automobiles will now have greater durability and battery life than other Tesla automobiles. The only limitation, however, is that companies are susceptible to supply chain constraints, which are currently a constant problem of inflation primarily resulting from the Russia-Ukraine crisis. According to Musk, this crisis has resulted in a significant price increase, a decrease in production, and even a delay in the introduction of projects such as the Cybertruck and Roadster. Tesla has a favorable trajectory and massive development potential in the future, which will inevitably affect its stock price. There have been numerous expansions in various business sectors, and the company is already dominating the EV market. In general, the production and distribution rates have increased dramatically, bolstering the company's net cash flow. The automaker's financial results for the first 3 months of the year were mind-boggling, leaving investors with a positive outlook and high hopes for substantial returns. Additionally, Tesla has expanded its global distribution, exceeding projections from major stock analysts, such as Wall Street. However, as with any enterprise, happiness is not a continuous trend. Until recently, the stock price of Tesla has been quite encouraging. However, the share price recently dropped to $620. $57 from $636 per share, a precipitous decline from its record peak in November of 2021. It was the seventh worst performing stock in the S&P 500 at the time, due to a 42% decline in share price and a 26% decline in the S&P 500 consumer directory sector. In addition, it underperformed the majority of key tech growth stocks, such as Apple Inc. and Amazon.com Inc. This decline caused numerous investors to abandon their stocks. The alleged claims that Elon Musk had taken out extensive personal loans linked to the value of Tesla's stock in order to obtain financing created additional doubts in the minds of investors who feared that it could cause the stock to drop too low, negatively impacting the company's finances. Nonetheless, despite the decline in the price of Tesla stock, some investors remain optimistic about the future. Numerous upcoming innovations have the potential to become future gold mines for Tesla, making it difficult to disregard the bullish forecasts of analysts. Tesla will continue to increase production and expand into additional markets despite the obstacles. This expansion has also led to an increase in the use of Tesla automobiles in various countries around the globe. And since more people will be able to purchase Tesla vehicles, the company's revenue will shortly increase. The expansion of Tesla into the Japanese market has been phenomenal. Initially, the company confronted several obstacles, including the high cost of electric cars relative to gasoline vehicles and the lack of charging stations. However, these obstacles were quickly surmounted by the addition of more charging stations, the implementation of subsidiaries, and price reductions on a number of their products. These strategies help Tesla expand and become one of Japan's leading automobile brands. Panasonic, a prominent electric vehicle manufacturer and Tesla's oldest battery supplier, has bolstered the company's position in Japan. The company announced that it will shortly begin manufacturing lithium-ion batteries with a new capacity of 4,680 for electric vehicles in Japan. According to the Energy Corporation, mass production will commence in the fiscal year ending in March 2024. Panasonic recently sent Tesla samples of its powerful 4,680 battery, for which production will shortly begin in Japan and then shift to North America. Hopefully, this will be a major victory for Tesla and will lead to an increase in its automobile production and distribution. Despite Tesla's success in Japan, the story is different in China due to the abundance of competitors. China is responsible for approximately 80% of a company's production input and is also a key supply chain distributor. Therefore, Tesla's expansion into the Chinese market could benefit its production capabilities. However, the highly competitive EV industry in China means that Tesla will have to do a little more to create its own consumer base, despite being the most well-known and globally recognized EV manufacturer. China's status as a technology hub makes it a lucrative market for electric vehicles, but it is difficult to disregard the strong competition posed by these Chinese EV manufacturers, the majority of which have demonstrated over the years that they can match Tesla's performance in terms of deliveries and financials. Even though investors are optimistic that Tesla can surmount the competition and become a household name in China, just as it did in Japan, the company's production difficulties in China are a constant source of discouragement, since any production loss can significantly affect the company's margins and profits. Multiple supercharger stations have been flourishing for Tesla's expansion in countries like Iceland. Tesla undoubtedly faces obstacles which have in some ways affected its stock price. As with other types of investments, there is always a mixture of ascending and descending trends. Nevertheless, historical data indicates that it will continue to experience robust development in the future, despite the growing number of competitors. The charging infrastructure is one of the numerous advantages that consistently place Tesla in the lead. Tesla possesses the world's largest fast charging network, a record. It will require years of technological advancement, continuous improvement, improved infrastructure, and global market expansion to surpass other companies. Tesla's finances may surpass those of its competitors. The company has the potential to achieve greater milestones in the future, which could drive the stock price to $52,000. But what are your thoughts? Please specify below. Click on one of these two videos on the screen while you're still here. There you are.